How to log out Messenger app. So let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The first step is you need to open up your Messenger application on your device. After that, you need to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see this interface, or if you have chat with your friends, then they will display over here. So basically there are two ways of logging out of Messenger. The first is if you have got multiple accounts, then you can switch to the another account and you'll be logged out of your current account. For switching the account, you can simply tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the left upper corner, and you have to tap on the drop down sign next to your ID name, and from over here you can switch your account. If this is not available, then you can also tap on the settings option in the right hand side, and you can scroll to the button until you see the switch account option. Under safety, you have to simply tap on switch account and you can switch to the another account and you'll be logged out of the current account. And the next option of logging out is you need to log out of your Facebook account. For that, you have to simply go back and open up your Facebook application. And after that, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and you have to scroll down to the button and you have to go for logout option and tap on logout, and by doing that you'll be logged out of your Facebook as well as Messenger. So this is how you log out Messenger app. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.